Airspace Surveillance and Control Command Lithuania. The Airspace Surveillance and Control Command is a branch of the Lithuanian Air Force responsible for surveillance and control the airspace of Lithuania, while implementing resolutions of the Parliament of the Republic of Lithuania concerning principal structure of the Lithuanian Armed Forces and Armed Forces development plans. The Lithuanian military have expanded and increased defense capabilities. Therefore, the Air Surveillance and Control Command has also evolved. Presently, 5 radar posts have been established to monitor Lithuanian airspace. The command cooperates with Governmental Enterprise Air Navigation, Governmental Board Security Service, and other institutions. History. Establishment. The protection of Lithuanian airspace has always been a priority for the Lithuanian Armed Forces. When forming the new armed forces structures, steps were taken to design appropriate air defense systems. In 1992, the predecessor to the organization, Radar Data Supply Department, was part of the Aviation Service under the command of Lieutenant Colonel V. Pace. On April 27, 1992, military personnel initiated the surveillance of the Lithuanian airspace in Vilnius Airport. That day marked the beginning of continuous Lithuanian airspace monitoring and is considered to be the founding day of the Air Surveillance and Control Command. Name evolution. Before 1996, Air Surveillance and Control Command was called the Radar Support Section. From 1996 to 2000, it was named the Airspace Control Base. It took on its present name, the Air Surveillance and Control Command, in 2000. Development. In autumn of 1992, the Lithuanian government assigned the Aviation Service military posts in Karmelava, Rakai, Jewett-Krant, Nemerseta. Karmelava served as the Lithuanian Air Force's command post with Major V. Sirtautas as the commander in charge. In May 1993, the Lithuanian Air Force's post in Rakai began regular. In 1995, the National Airspace Control and Defense Center was established within the Lithuanian Air Force headquarters. Later, the unit was named the Airspace Control Center. In May 2005, new medium-distance radars TRM-Elminus 3D/32 were subjected into Common Radio Locative Information Transmission System. Commanders. Activity. Radar posts. Currently, there are 7 stationary military radar posts in Lithuania, 6 operational. Baltic States Air Surveillance System. The Air University Multan campus works closely with the Baltic States Air Surveillance System BALTNET. The appropriate legal documentation of the BALTNET project was developed. The reciprocal memorandum of understanding concerning military personnel training was signed among Lithuanian, Estonian, Latvian, and Danish ministries of defense. Other countries contributed support, materials, and training to BALTNET, including United States donated computer equipment for the ASC and Regional Airspace Surveillance Coordination Centers, arranged training courses for personnel. Norway built a BALTNET training center, arranged training courses for personnel. Denmark arranged training courses for personnel. Regional Airspaces Surveillance Coordination Center. The Regional Airspaces Surveillance Coordination Center, headquarters of the BALTNET project, was established in the Lithuanian Air Force's Airspace Control Center and has been fully functioning since early 2000. Military personnel from all the 3 Baltic states serve as air surveillance operators at the center and rotate according to national timetables. The commander of the center is appointed for 2 years and represents one of the Baltic states. Presently, the commander of the center is a Lithuanian representative, while officers from Latvia and Estonia serve as deputy commanders. RASC personnel operate sophisticated computers and communication equipment. English is the official working language. Aircraft Command Unit. In March 2004, according to accession to NATO, the Aircraft Command Unit was placed in the Airspace Surveillance and Control Command. Aircraft command equipment was bought and installed in the unit, the main task of which is coordination of rapid reaction cruise actions in order to react to violations of Lithuanian, Latvian, and Estonian airspace or airspace usage rules. Personnel from Norway, Belgium, Denmark, Germany, the Netherlands, Great Britain, Turkey, United States share this mission. Air Forces specialists from Norway and Germany are preparing fighter command operators from Lithuania, Latvia, and Estonia. Newly prepared operators will change colleagues from other NATO states in Baltic air policing mission. Equipment: task operational radars,